If you grow indoors, you know how crucial it is to have everything under control. EC, pH, dosages, climate, stages. Keeping it all in your head is impossible. And every time the theoretical EC doesn't match the actual reading, you wonder, where did I go wrong? I built Fireleaflab to solve exactly that. An app that learns from your grow, adapting to your water, your nutrients, and your setup. Enter your dosages. The app calculates the theoretical EC in real time. Then you measure, record the actual EC, and Fireleaflab starts learning. After just a few sessions, the theoretical and real values begin to align. The system works the same for pH. Tell the app your starting pH, your target, and the liters. It tells you exactly how many milliliters of pH down to use. And the more you use it, the more precise it gets. Manage up to 3 independent boxes. Track temperature, humidity, and both veg and flower stages. Daily charts allow you to see trends over time. Every watering is saved. Export to JSON with a single tap. Your data stays on your device. No cloud, no account required. Fireleaflab. Offline, open source. Built by a grower, for growers.